Today, we're going on an epic adventure that even Mickey himself would be proud of. Are you ready to unlock the magic? Because today, I'm going to show you how to download your favorite seasons on Disney Plus so you can binge watch anywhere, yes, even on that long road trip to Grandma's house. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I actually take my Disney Plus shows offline? Isn't that against the rules? Well, let me put your fears to rest. Disney is all about that magic, and they've made it totally possible. So grab your snacks and let's dive right into this digital treasure chest. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have the Disney Plus app on your device. No app, no downloads. Once you have the app, go ahead and log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, what are you waiting for? You're missing out on a world of princesses, superheroes, and animated classics. But I digress. Next, let's find that series you've been dying to watch. Whether it's The Mandalorian, Loki, or the nostalgic DuckTales, just type it into the search bar or find it on the homepage. When you find it, you'll see all the seasons and episodes available. Take a moment, do a little happy dance, and let's click on the season you want. I mean, who doesn't want to relive the glorious moments of the 90s DuckTales theme song, am I right? Okay, here comes the best part. You'll spot a cute little download icon next to each episode. It looks like a downward arrow, easy peasy. Just tap that icon. But if you're planning to watch the entire season, tap that icon at the top for a download all option. And just like that, you're downloading magic. Remember, each title will have its own download limits, but I say, make sure the storage space on your device is ready. No one wants to get that dreaded not enough space notification just before the finale. Trust me, I've been there. Now the waiting game begins. The downloads depend on your internet speed, but you can check the progress in the downloads section of the app, easy breezy. Once it's done, turn off that Wi-Fi, sit back, and enjoy those cozy viewing moments, be it on the couch, on the go, or during those awkward family gatherings. And that's it, friends. You've conquered Disney Plus downloading. Which series are you most excited to watch offline? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more streaming tips and tricks. Until next time, keep the magic alive and let those adventures begin.